Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. For day 8, Eight Maids a Milkin', I'm making peanut punch. Creamy, rich, and full of warming spice, this drink is comforting and filling, perfect for cool winter evenings. It's one of those recipes that feels like a hug in a glass. Some Christmas comfort comes in sips instead of slices. For today's recipe, I'm making a Jamaican style peanut punch. This is a recipe that's found in my cookbook that I will have linked in the description box below. This calls for 1 cup of roasted peanuts. These peanuts are in their shell and need to be deshelled and are already roasted. So I'm going to take them out of your shell and then gather the rest of my ingredients. Alright, so now I'm going to put my peanut punch together. Peanut punch is like Jamaica's response to a milkshake. It can be as thick as you want or as thin as you'd like it to be. I'm using a very simple recipe, but lots of things like this are customizable and you can make it to whatever you like to do. So I'm going to start by putting my peanuts into my blender. To that, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water, a half cup of condensed milk, teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, fourth of a teaspoon of cinnamon, I'm making this recipe for my husband, and so this recipe calls for oats. I'm using some rolled oats. If you follow me, you know that I don't usually use oats, but for this recipe I got some oats. The oats is what will thicken it up and add some additional nutrients. And just for a touch more sweetness, I'm going to add some honey. Very simple, blend it all together, and it's a beautiful fill-in drink. Might need to add just a bit more water. I'm substituting milk in this recipe for water. I did use a bit of condensed milk, but you could use a combination of water and whole milk or other non-dairy milk of your choice. And just like that, you have some peanut punch. Very refreshing. You can serve over ice, or you can chill this in the refrigerator. It's very tasty. Peanut punch. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.